Welcome back, guys, to another video on FIFA. I do apologise, it has been a while since we made a video, but with that being said, the content, it's not been the best, and I've only got 27k, and we're just trying to make best do of what we can. I have literally rinsed all my club. I think we had about 70 packs, but I've opened loads, and this is like the best 22 packs left over from stream. I am currently streaming right now on Twitch. The link will be in the description below. Make sure to come check me out, follow, chill, entirely up to you. And if you are new around here, I've said it before, it's 80% of people that are new that have not subbed. Let's hit that 250 mark. I think we're about 10 away. Let's get to 300 before FIFA 21. So we've got till October to get that 300 mark, which will be absolutely insane if we do. I've got plenty of content for FIFA 21. I've got a lot of people that I'm working with. I will be having 2 accounts, guys. I'll be running this account myself on PlayStation. Then I'll have a good friend of mine called Dale, who happily said he'll run my Xbox account, so we'll get content for both, which is going to be very interesting. So basically it'll be there so I can play with people that are on PS4 and Xbox. A lot of my close friends and a lot of good friends off the stream and the YouTube channel are on Xbox, so I thought it'd just be nice if we do with that as well. With that being said, we've got 22 packs open, guys. They are very, they have been paying out. We've got 86, we've got 84 rated, 85 and 92s, and then we have the last one is the 588 5 red gold players pack. So first pack, I think we'll open the 84, then the 86. Alright, let's go. Right, it's a walkout, which is good. Cavani. Oh, Suarez. We'll take that. We'll take these. Only because I really want to do I really want to do the Vinicius SBC. So I'm going to open the 84s first, and then we'll do the 85, and then we'll do the 86, and then at the end we'll do the 92. Sorry, the 588. So this is quite good. It's quite good. We'll give it a go. Right, this is pack number 2. It's just a board. Argentina striker Cavani. Nice. I'll take all these because, like I said, they're all gonna go into the oh, nice, 85 and the 84. They're all gonna go into the Vinicius SBC, and then hopefully we could win. We get some. I said, yeah. Sorry, I just said Cavani. I don't know why I said Cavani. Oh, I've already got him. Damn, I've already got him. Oh, but look at that though. 89 Busquets. These are being brilliant, but I don't want to keep getting duplicates. That's the only one thing I didn't want, is duplicates. Right, come on. Inform walkout. One centre back. Fabian. Nice. I'll take that. I will take that. Oh, and the summer as well. Brilliant. These are not bad at all, they're quite decent. So last 84 plus, and then we'll do the 85 ones. Oh, this is a walkout. German goalkeeper. Swallow. 86 Swallow. Oh, and Luis Alberto as well. That's nice. That is very nice. I like that. Right, let's open the 86 and we'll do the rest. And we'll end them. Right, come on. In order. I don't know what that is. German. Come. Oh, please be Rice. Marco! Let's go! Yeah! Yes. I thought it was the team of the season, but it won't be team of the season. Oh, nice, 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 nice. I got excited just because I've never ever packed Marco Reus. I've packed Mbappe, I've packed Neymar, I've packed Messi, but I've never packed Reus. Right, come on. 85 board. Would have been 86. Centre mid. So, not bad at all. Right, we'll take that. Come on, I need some high rated players just for them SBCs. Please, yeah. Be nice to me. I think that's Champions League Kulaski. Yeah. We'll take these. We'll definitely take these. They'll pay out. They don't pay out, they'll help towards the SBC. That's what I mean. Come on, we've got 12 or 30 more of these to go. Right, this is another nominee. Oh my god, I just thought I got money. But we'll take that. We will take Onana. That's nice, that is. Ooh. Dutch. Striker. Marlon. You get 86, so we'll take them. Anything above 86, I'm more than happy to take. Just basically purely for the fact of the SBC. That's another walkout though. What could that be? Oh my god, it's Partey. I thought I basically got SE in there. That can't be right. Well, 88 Thomas Partey. We'll take that 100%. 100% we'll take that, which is not bad. Partey, inform walkout. Dutch, centre mid, Barcelona, Rakitic. De Jong. What is a Rakitic for? My badge knowledge right now is horrendous. But we'll take these. These are all basically what we need. I think this week if we get the right players, I'm gonna do like a full future star team. Is that a Halloween? Or it's gonna be Cavallo, innit? Yeah, Cavallo. We'll take these. 100%. We'll take these. I don't even know. I have no idea why it's a Rakitic when I see Dutch. No idea whatsoever. Danny in my Twitch chat is going absolutely crazy at me. Iniesta. Not bad. Iniesta is not bad. Right, 8 packs to go, 7 more, and then we've got the last 88. Come on. Right, another inform walk. I don't be Spanish. Dutch. Left forward. Torgan Hazard. What is he? An 86. Oh, nice. Not bad at all. I just hope I have enough players and enough chem to do Vinicius. I literally just need the 285 and I've done the rest. Another walkout. Brazil. CDM. 87 Fernandinho. We will 100% take that. 87 Fernandinho will definitely take that. Right, we've got a few more to go. We've got 5 more to go. Oh, future star. England. Tomorrow! Up the Chelsea. Let's go tomorrow. Up the Chelsea. Let's go tomorrow. Right, we're getting there. We are getting there. We're getting closer now. Let's go. Ooh, another screen. Right back. trivia. Yeah. It's what we need. It's what we need. 85 and above is what we need. Right. 2 more packs to get the 88 out of the way. Nominee. Please be good. Ziyech. It's not the nominee, it's Champions League. Oh! Look at these. Look at all the Chelsea players coming through, eh? Nice. Right, 2 more. 2 for a blue, as Zach says. 2 for a blue. Oh, another one. Don't tell me I got a Nana again. Ah, damn. I'll have to quick sell him. And then I'll bring him back off my phone. Yeah, I'll quick sell him and bring him back off my phone. Damn. Right. Give me someone big. Please. Is it walkout? Dutch. Not Dutch, German. Striker. Max Kruse. 85? I don't know why my nationalities have been off point today. I'm usually quite good with this. Just being raised by Ryan. Nice. Right, come on. Come on. Please. Please, 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 please. Don't give me the same guy. Don't give me the same guy. I just got a goalkeeper. 90 rated is not bad. But I've just got a goalkeeper. On my last pack I got 4 goals. 3 goalkeepers I think. Or 4 did I get? No, I got 3, yeah. Oh damn, that's horrible. Alright, I think 90 is the highest rated. Yeah. Vertonghen and Thiago Parejo and Mount. Another Chelsea lad. Let's go. But it's cool, man. Like I said, I'm going to use all these to complete the Vinicius SBC anyway. But guys, like I said, I do apologise for not being able to put out much videos. Like I said, it's not been fun playing FIFA recently. We've been playing a lot of other games, NBA in particular, and Fortnite with the lads. Some GTA, but this is FIFA is pretty much now towards the end of its cycle. So we'll try to get what we can do. And that's it really. But like I said guys, thank you all so much for all the love and support recently. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get to that 250 mark as soon as we can. Thank you all for watching and I'll catch you next time. Peace.